Zahvaljujući programu markiranja koji je počeo pre skoro godinu i po dana, uveden je red na tržištu goriva. Država je povećala budžetske prihode jer nema izbegavanja plaćanja akcize i poreza, a zbog svakodnevnog prisustva tržišne inspekcije, vozači su sigurniji da zaista dobijaju gorivo koje plaćaju. Program markiranja se u početku primjenjivao samo na benzin i dizel-gorivo, a početkom ove godine u njega je uključen i tečni naftni gas. Koliko se markiranje i kontrola tečnog naftnog gasa razlikuju od postupka za ostala tečna goriva, pitamo jednog od vodećih ljudi kompanije koja proizvodi supstance za obeležavanje goriva i uređaje za kontrolu.
The same basic principles apply of the application of nanotechnologies in very small quantities to the fuel. However, LPG does introduce a number of challenges we don't see with the liquid petroleum products. So there are a number of safety features that we have to put in place, as well as some customized marking equipment so that we can mark the product safely. And in doing so, we've worked with actually a local Serbian company to custom build some of this equipment to make sure that we're doing this safely and effectively.
Kako se tečni naftni gas markira i kontroliše obzirom na njegove specifičnosti?
In Serbia, the LPG is not designated for automobiles until it goes to the actual delivery truck that will take it to a station. So for the LPG marking, we're actually marking at the truck level to make sure that the product that leaves the particular depot is the same product that shows up and it has not been adulterated or changed in any way for when it reaches the consumer.
A da li se marker za tečni naftni gas razlikuje od markera za benzin i dizel?
Yes, we have built a marker specifically for the LPG for use here in Serbia, and right now that is the only product that is using this particular marker.
Da li će markiranje tečnog naftnog gasa indirektno poboljšati njegov kvalitet?
Yes, I could say indirectly, and where it will help with the quality, as I mentioned before, is that we can ensure that the product that leaves the depot from the oil marketing company is not interfered with or altered in any way when it shows up for the consumer. And the big assumption here is that you start with a quality product. We can guarantee that quality product will end up on the other end.
Da li ste markirali tečni naftni gas u drugim zemljama i kakvi su rezultati?
So we have marked LPG in two other large countries. One of those is still ongoing, our discussions with them. Another, the program was successful. It was shut down for a variety of other political reasons that weren't related to the performance of the program. But the experience that we gained in these two countries is what led us to be able to implement the system here in Serbia.
Međutim, zašto markiranje tečnog naftnog gasa nije počelo u isto vreme kada i za ostala goriva?
There's a lot of very specific infrastructure here in Serbia that we had to work with to make sure that we were marking the LPG safely and effectively. And through the process of working with the oil marketing companies here, we were able to understand the infrastructure, and then we partnered with a local Serbian company to design very specific equipment to mark the LPG here in Serbia.
Da li markeri utiču na kvalitet goriva, rad i pouzdanost motora?
No, it does not. The markers that we're using are made out of the same basic building blocks as the fuel, so it will combust within the car engines. That, coupled with the fact that we're marking at such very low levels, part per billion levels, that's equivalent to a drop of water in an Olympic swimming pool, it's not going to affect the quality in any way.
I za kraj, koja je vaša poruka vozačima?
My message to the drivers is that this is going to help them. I think we're going to help make sure that you're getting the product that you're paying for. We're going to mark the product when it leaves the terminal, and you're going to know with certainty when we test that at the other end if anyone has interfered with that product en route to the station to where you're consuming it. So I really think this is overall a good thing for the drivers and for the citizens, and this program is going to help make sure that you get a better product.